situation, it's a very small list. Again, biting, eye gouging, I can't stay down here long. The main thing we showed is how to get up to our feet. That's the first thing you want to go for, getting the eyes, getting up to my feet. I'll put a link for that video down below. It's the main thing, we cannot stay here. But if you're having problems getting up, say they're putting pressure on you, now again, set up guard, okay? In a real life situation, again, there could be weapons, I could go for eyes here, but I'm trying to get some distance here, okay? And maybe I have the option to go for a Kimura. I like to loop over and grab it with this arm first, okay? Grabbing my own wrist. Now, you'll see a lot of people do this move incorrectly. We also have a sweep from here. We'll get into that later. This is a final ditch effort. I'm trying to get up to my feet, not happening. I loop it over, lock. My hip has to come out, see? Now, this gives me space to wrench. Again, thinking about biting, eye gouging, and weapons. Brittany has a weapon here. I'm in big trouble. Yep, see? That's why I have to be fast, be quick. And if you're going for this move, you're going to tear it. That's what you're going for. Then get up to your feet and escape the situation.